I'll guide you through how to set up your new iPhone, outlining the settings to change immediately you get a new device or after a complete factory reset. If you're looking to get the best battery life from your new device, or you've decided to secure your data and personal information and so need to change your new iPhone settings, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. When you first unbox your iPhone or after a clean factory reset, there are a few key settings to change right away to maximize your security and optimize your battery life and daily usage. Let's start with security and privacy. The very first thing is to ensure your phone is secure by making use of Apple's built-in iPhone security features. First, go to Settings, then tap Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down and make sure Stolen Device Protection is turned on. This adds a crucial layer of security, requiring a security delay before sensitive changes can be made, even if someone has your passcode. Next, you need to set up privacy to ensure your usage is private and not accessible by ad networks and third-party trackers. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and tap on Tracking. Make sure to turn off Allow Apps to Request to Track. This prevents apps from tracking your activity across other apps and websites for ad targeting. While you're in privacy and security, it's also a good idea to go through the app permissions for things like your photos, microphone, and contacts. Now let's talk about battery life. Navigate to Settings and tap Battery. Here, enable Optimized Battery Charging. This feature learns your daily charging habits and waits to finish charging past 80% until you need your phone, which significantly improves long-term battery health. While many of us love the convenience of Hey Siri, if you're looking to conserve battery, go to Settings and tap Siri and Search. Then turn off Listen for Hey Siri. You can still activate it by pressing and holding the side button. Turning off the setting saves battery life because the phone's microphone is no longer constantly listening for the Hey Siri command, reducing background power consumption. For some cool new customization and features, the new iOS allows you to easily customize your home screen. Press and hold on an empty part of the screen, then tap Edit. To customize your lock screen, tap Customize, and you can now arrange app icons anywhere you want and change their style to dark mode or a tinted color. Now that you've learned how to change your new iPhone settings, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Apple video tutorials. Thanks for watching.